Hello children, welcome to this in video Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School Sarsam. I am Master Kamini. Today I am going to teach you EVS subject for Standard First. Unit number 1, Our Body. And today I covered topic that introduction of this lesson, hard words, and introduce body parts. So pay attention here and listen me carefully. Let's start. Introduction. Dear students, now you are in standard first, but last year in senior KG or junior KG, you studied about all body parts spelling, identification, etc. But in this lesson, you can study more. That is your body parts that work, how many these, and sense of organs work, etc. First, I introduce hard words of this chapter. Some words you are familiar with their words, but some new words are come in this lesson. Each spelling I recite 3 times, so students can easily listen and spell out their spellings easily. First, EYES, eyes. EYES, eyes. EYES, eyes. NOSE, nose. NOSE, nose. EARS, ears. EARS, ears. EARS, ears. MOUTH, mouth. MOUTH, mouth. MOUTH, mouth. HEAD, head. HEAD, head. HEAD, head. HAIR, hair. HAIR, hair. HAND, hand. HAND, hand. HAND, hand. LEG, leg. LEG, leg. LEG, leg. NECK, neck. NECK, neck. NECK, neck. This is your familiar words that you have to study last year. Now, new words. SHOULDER, shoulder. SHOULDER, shoulder. SHOULDER. STOMACH, stomach. STOMACH, stomach. STOMACH, stomach. FOOT, foot. FOOT, foot. CHEST, chest. CHEST, chest. CHEST, chest. FINGERS, fingers. 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 Arm. 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 Thumb. Thumb. Elbow. Elbow. Toe. Toe. Now this is your homework. Dear children, you have to write down these spellings 3 times in your notebook of EVS. And you have to write down this spelling like EYES eyes, EYES eyes, EYES eyes. Each spelling you have to write down 3 times. So while I am taking your dictation test, I will ask in this hard or new words. So prepare good. Now I introduce lesson with body parts. Here you can clearly see that picture of all body parts. Little girl identify their parts with the spelling. So pay attention in this slide. First, HEAD, head. Second, HAIR, hair. You can clearly see that head or hair in the picture. Eyes, EYE, eyes. Nose, NOSE, nose. Thumb, THUMB, thumb. Shoulder, SHOULDER, shoulder. TOE, toe. Now FOOT, foot. LEG, leg. KNEE, knee. FINGER, finger. HAND, hand. STOMACH, stomach. ARM, arm. ELBOW, elbow. CHEST, chest. NECK, neck. CHIN, chin. MOUTH, mouth. EAR, ears. Here all your hard words or your new words introduced in this picture also. So you can clearly see the hard words, new words and your body parts in this picture. Now I read out lesson. If you have Cordova textbook, then pay attention in the textbook page number 142, and if you don't have textbook, then pay attention in my video. First, lesson number first, our body. First page, that activity in this lesson, that count and write how many of the following you have. First, fingers. Dear children, how many you have fingers? That is 8. Feet, 2. Toes, 10. Eyes, 2. Nose, 1. Hands, 2. This is your activity page that you have to copy down from your textbook in your notebook. If you don't have notebook, so you have to write down once again. I repeat that fingers 8, feet 2, toes 10, eyes 2, nose 1, hands 2. Now second page, page number 143. See the picture given below. They show what the different parts of our body help us to do. Let us see what our legs and feet help us to do. Our legs and feet help us walk. Our legs and feet help us skate, etc. Now let us see what our hands and fingers help us to do. Our hands and fingers help us write. Our hands and fingers help us draw. Now let us see what our mouth help us to do. Our mouth help us eat. Our mouth helps us drink. Next session I will discuss about sense organs. Now in this portion the lesson covered that what our hands, legs, feet, fingers and mouths work, you have to discuss in this lesson. So dear students, this slide, the picture of body part, you have to same copy down from your notebook, otherwise you can draw or stick the photocopy your body part, all the body parts and label the name of that body parts. Today we discuss about different parts of our body help us to do. Legs and feet. Our legs and feet help us to walk, run, skate, etc. Dance also. You can see the picture. Hands and fingers. Our hand and fingers help us to eat, write, draw, etc. Our hands and fingers help us to eat, write, draw, etc. Our mouth helps us to eat, drink, etc. The importance of our legs and feet, hands and fingers, mouths, that is we have to can't do nothing, anything without this. Now fun time. This is fun time activity or fun time or HW time. This is fun time slide. Find out spellings and color in it. First, leg, L-E-G, leg, E-A-R, ear, E-Y-E-S, eyes, N-O-S-E, nose, N-E-C-K, neck, H-A-N-D, hand. These 6 spellings you have to identify or find out in this grid and color in it. Use different kinds of color in each body parts. You students, you have to use also rainbow color. In rainbow 7 colors are there, but here I have to given 6 spelling find out from the grid, and you use different kinds of colors and make it colorful your notebook's page. This one copy down from your notebook and find out these 6 spellings. Second, name the parts of the body that rhyme with these words. Once again, I repeat the instruction that name the parts of the body that rhyme with these words. First, L-A-N-D, land. The rhyming words of land, that is H-A-N-D, hand. Land, hand. B-R-E-A-D, bread. The rhyming words of bread, H-E-A-D, head. Bread, head. T-W-I-N, twin. The rhyming words of twin, CHIN, chin. ROSE, rose. The rhyming words of rose, NOSE, nose. Repeat, land, hand, braid, head, twin, chin, rose, nose. So dear students, this activity of rhyming words, if you have some new words and identify the others rhyming words of body parts, then you have to increase in number like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in your notebook and write down those words in your notebook. So dear students, today we have discussed about chapter number 1, our body, and very first I have explained the hard words and new words. Each word I explain and spell out. So you have to prepare yourself that hard words and new words, because when I take your dictation, I will ask that hard words or new words. And then important points that different parts of our body help us to do, that is legs and feet help us to walk and skate, hands and fingers help us to write and draw, our mouth help us to eat and drink. Very soon we meet. Our next session videos is that our sense organs, what they work in our sense organ, our body, and what they help each other in our body. We must take care of our sense organs and our all body parts. We have to discuss all things in our next video. So dear student, now I check your knowledge that I have to give and explain in this lesson. I will ask just 2 MCQ that you have to ask in your parents and answer reply to your parents. First, our legs and help us blanks. Our legs and feet help us blank. 3 options are given there. Eat, walk, draw. Eat, walk, draw. So answer is given that our legs and feet help us walk. Second, which part of our body help us eat food? Which part of our body helps us eat food? Option: leg, foot, mouth. Answer: mouth. Okay dear students, such kinds of exercise you have to do at your home, that each body part you show with your parents and spell out without showing in notebook or in this video, and spell out that spelling in front of your parents. So in very first standard you have to first lesson of your body, that body parts spelling you know, and which body parts help us to do our suppose we have to ask one question, is that which body parts help us to write? So you have to give an answer that hands. Which parts of body help us to draw? The answer is given your hands. Such kinds of question your parents ask and you given to answer. You listen my video carefully, then you give the answer perfectly. And one activity, more activity I given in this lesson, that in your textbook, that count and write how many of the following you have. That repeat once again, I repeat. So if you write down in your notebook, number 1, fingers, how many fingers you have? 8. Feet, how many feet? 2. Toes, 10. Eyes, 2. Nose, 1. Hands, 2. Okay, this one also you have to copy down in your notebook. And If you have your senior KG, junior KG textbook or your workbook, there your all body parts picture are there. You have to cut down their pictures and stick it out in your notebook and label all body parts spelling with beautiful colorful pictures. All the best. We have to very soon meet in next session with our sense organs and their work and some more activity and exercise and worksheet too. All the best.